Alright guys, today we're going to be reviewing a tracking device for your car. Here's what comes in the box. We got a screwdriver, a little screwdriver. We got a plastic or rubber carrying case. We got a 3M stickers to stick to this, so you can stick it to wood or whatever surface that is not magnetic. You can make it magnetic. This is a little bit of piece of metal that it will stick to. This is magnetic here, so you can stick it to the car anywhere, and there's metal you can stick it. It's waterproof. Here is the tracker. You can use this tracker with Find My, and they have the Android versions too, so it's not only for iPhones. So here's how it looks. They have black and white ones, but this is the black one. This one works with iPhones, so it's work just like any device that you get with Find My. You go to Find My, hit the plus button, turn this on, find it, name it, and then you're ready to go. It does have a little keychain ring that you can just put here and use it as a keychain if you want to keep it in your keychain. If you want to keep it in your keychain, or if you want to just put it in your kid's backpack, or your parents or grandparents, your husband, your wife. So this is a tracking device that you use Find My to. It's mainly for your car, so you just stick it inside the little carrying pouch. It's rubberized, so it's how it looks, and this sticks to the inside of the tire if you want to put it in that place, or you can stick it under your seat, on the box compartment. It's a tracking device. It's very convenient too, because you can just put it anywhere in your car, and then when you go to, I live in Florida, so we go to Disney or Universal, any of those big parks, you know that once you come out night, you have to walk. You're not gonna find the car easy unless you just remember. But this will tell you exactly where it is, and it will give you directions to walking directions where it is parked. So the battery lasts a year. That's what it says in the specifications. It's just a regular, like a watch battery, the big one, so you can get anywhere. So to pair it, like I said, there's a button. There's a little button. You press it, you will hear it turn on. Let me see if we can turn it on. You can hear the sound. You heard the sound. That means that it's on. Now if I go on my Find My, you will see it there. You just go tap on the plus button on devices, plus button, find this, name it your car, stick this to the little carrying case, and then you stick this in your car, and you're ready to go. It doesn't have to be your car. It could be your bike, your moped, your motorcycle, your e-bike, whatever. This will work anywhere. So definitely recommend it. If you know the pricing for the Apple ones is ridiculous, and do the same thing for a fraction of the price, and it brings you a case, and you have different, they have 1-pack, 2-pack, 3-pack, so you can have for the whole family. So definitely recommend it. Go get your one. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.